Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest, smartest way to create a dark mode design in Figma. Whether you're designing a website, a mobile app, or just want a classy dark themed UI, this method is incredibly efficient and will save you a ton of time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional-looking dark mode design in minutes, even if you're starting from scratch. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, a lot of people think they need to labor over every detail, picking colors and recreating components just for dark mode. And sure, if you want to reinvent the wheel, you absolutely can. But if your goal is to work smarter, not harder, I always recommend tapping into Figma's incredible library of community templates and built-in tools. These resources are huge time savers. Think of them as your digital shortcut to great results. So here's what you'll want to do. First, head over to Figma's template and tools section. If you haven't looked around here before, it's basically a treasure trove full of ready-made assets, all created by other designers and made available for the community. In the search bar, type in dark mode design. This is key because it filters out all the light UI kits and brings up options that are specifically crafted for dark themes. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll see a wide variety of dark mode templates, everything from minimalist dashboards to more creative UI kits. Pick one that fits the vibe and functionality you want for your project. Don't worry if it's not a perfect match. The real advantage here is that you're starting with a solid foundation. All the colors, components, and spacing are already optimized for dark mode, which saves you hours of fiddling. Go ahead and open your chosen template directly in Figma. This might take a moment to load, depending on how detailed the template is. Once it's loaded, you'll see everything laid out: buttons, text fields, navigations, and more, all set up in that beautiful, eye-friendly dark palette. Now here's the fun part, making it your own. Every part of this template can be customized. Swap out fonts, edit colors, move elements around, treat it like clay, and shape it to match your personal or project brand. If you're working with an existing design, just copy and paste the components you need from the dark mode template into your own file. Then tweak them as needed to ensure everything flows with your original design. A quick tip: don't be afraid to experiment with color shades or layer effects to get just the look you want. The beauty of using a template is that you always have that core structure to fall back on if you want to reset any changes. That's really it. In just a few steps, you've gone from a blank slate or maybe a bright, eye-blinding UI to a polished, customizable dark mode design. No need to worry if things feel a bit unfamiliar at first, especially if you're new to Figma's templates. Play around and you'll quickly get the hang of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fast-track tip helpful, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want more Figma tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step design tutorials just like this. Catch you in the next one.